Hello, welcome to EDCT 4010 System Analysis and Design in Education Technology. This is the final presentation for EDCT 6012. This presentation is to explain the course content to students. So this is the welcome page of the course that I created on Blackboard. I decided to create this course on Blackboard because Blackboard is one of the resources that we use as students of Ohio University, and as a teaching assistant, I think this will help me learn how to create courses on Blackboard. Actually, this is my first time of creating an actual class on Blackboard, which makes it a little bit complex. I have a lot of challenges. I had to get some comment from Dr. Streck to be able to complete the course. So let's go to the substantive issue. So getting started, when you come to the course, you go to getting started, and that is where it brings you to the welcome address, where you can find a basic or kind of an initial introduction of what exactly the course seeks to do, and then it also tells you who is the instructor, and it gives you the email of the instructor in case students want to reach out to the instructor. This is where they will pass. And the next item is the syllabus of the class, where it's a Word document that can be uploaded or that can be downloaded. And also we have the course description, and we have resources that student can follow. So actually, if you click on this link, it takes you to this resource where you can just download this PDF and read the course instructions. So we also have a general link. This takes you to a course journal, and also take you to a monolink on a Google Doc where a student can create and share and also comment on other people's work. I think we'll come back to this later. And the next item is the course rubric, which tells what exactly is demanded of a student to be able to succeed and or make good grades. So excellent, average, insufficient, and the points that are allocated to each of the items. So the next thing that I want to highlight is the announcement page. This announcement page will be used to communicate to students regularly. So if you look at this announcement, it was posted just Saturday, December 11th, just to let students know that the final project, or there will be a final project in this course. And also we have the timings that it should be submitted, and how the other students should respond. And then we have the announcement that I posted earlier, which was done on Thursday, November 25th, that that communicates course policies and instructions, including academic honesty, and then how to communicate with the instructor, some netiquette, and then other announcement, including electronic files and late submissions. So then the next item will be the discussion. So when you click on the discussion, it takes you to 4 categories of discussions that are posted here. So once you click on any one of them, it takes you to this page where you just have to create a thread. You don't have to create any discussion. You just have to create a thread. Once you click on it, it takes you to the discussion page, and then you are able to put in your subject and then put your discussion right here. So, and then the next item will be to go to groups. So groups in week 5, we're going to have a group discussion where these groups will be open, and then items will be posted later for students to kind of deliberate, and I will be allocating student to each of the groups. So the groups will be minimum of 3 and maximum of 5. So these are the 3 groups. And then after the groups, we have the learning models. So in this project, I designed models. I have 5 models. Actually, you might count it 4 because it starts from 1 here. However, there's model 0. This is just the introduction part where students will go and introduce themselves and also share their experiences on online space. So if you click on this model, it takes you to the introduction page, and here it says that briefly introduce yourself, provide your experiences in information system development and what you anticipate to achieve in this class. So you can just click on it, and then there you go. You can share your thoughts, or you can write here or download a Word document or any other document here. So then if you go back to the learning models, we have model 1. If you click on each of the models, it has items that are very important. So if you come here, it says planning an initial component. This takes you through the assignment and the focus of the assignment, and also it takes you through some YouTube videos that student can access right by clicking here, and then just going through YouTube, and you are able to play and have access to information that is needed. And it says that after everything, so here we have assignment 1. After listening to the videos and others, it says that you will submit some form of assignment. And if you go to model, all the models, that is how it is. And then the final model, which is model 4, that will practically be the 5th model, discusses the course project. So the course project is, the instructions to the course project is also shown here. So then we kind of try to go back to get started, and then we get to go to the general class link. You click on it, and then it takes you to a Google Doc. And on this Google Doc, you see the EDCT 4010, and you see the instructor introducing himself and also his experiences on the online space. And over here is a student monolink. We'll come back to it. So then here is also the course syllable that we have on the Blackboard, and all the other information, the models. The models are also shown here that students can follow these models or go to Blackboard and also follow. Basically, they are the same. And then when you come down, you have these instructions, and then you have assignments and their due date. You have the grading system, and then you have the rubric itself. Then over here, you have the sample that student can follow, and also create. These are the course outline basically, and then the final project is going to be here. So then this item, if you come down, it takes you to the individual class or student monolink, where if you open, a student is able to create their own monolink and share. Then this can be an example. So when you open, so say this is my monolink where I can copy. You can just create this and then make sure that I share it, and it allows other students to add comment. So then, so each student will just add their link, they'll create and add their link over here. So think that this is the end of my presentation. Please let me know if you have any question. Thank you.